boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And today, I have some special helpers. I have Mr. Ben.
Hi.
I have Miss Christiana.
Hi.
I have Miss Cadence.
Hi.
And I have Mr. Sebi.
Hi.
Oh! And I have a question. Who likes to be in the kitchen?
Me.
Oh! Guess what? Today we're going to be making apple pie sticks. Do you wonder what those are? I made some ahead of time so that you could see what they look like. Look at this. This is what you're going to be making. What do you think?
Cool.
Those look good?
Mm-hmm.
Who wants to learn how to make these?
Me.
Boys and girls, do you want to learn how to make these? You're going to love these. They're real easy to make, too. And they're fun. So, Miss Cinda has already made your filling for you. So what the filling is I took apples and I cut them up real small, as you can see, and then I made a sauce out of a little bit of margarine and brown sugar, and let's see, and I put some cinnamon in it, and I cooked them real good, and now it's chilled, and now we're going to learn how to wrap them, and then we'll fry them, okay? Now, if you don't want to fry them, you can put them in the oven at a real hot oven, like a 400, 425 degrees, and you can spray them with some nonstick baking spray, or you can spray them with a little bit of oil, drizzle, like with a brush maybe even, paint them with a little bit of oil, and then you can bake them in the oven if you want. But we're going to fry them today. So, Miss Cinda, what's in the center of the table? Do anybody know?
Pan. A frying pan.
Do you know what it's called? Electric skillet. And whenever we have electric skillet, what do we have to do?
Have to keep our fingers out of the middle.
Because why?
It's hot.
That's right. And we don't want it to burn, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. So when we're finished frying them, we're going to sprinkle them with some cinnamon and sugar mixture. So let's have you mix that up right now, okay, so that it's all ready. So I gave you each a bowl. So each of you take a tablespoon of sugar. Find your tablespoons.
This one's it, right? Miss
Yes,
Cinda?
yes. Take a tablespoon of sugar. Here, Cadence. Yes, find your tablespoon.
This?
Uh-huh. That's exactly right.
Miss Cinda, do we put it right here?
Yes. Put your tablespoon of sugar in your bowl.
Oh, I forgot to
Very
do that.
good, Christiana. Boys and girls, look how she's measuring so nice and accurate. We use our knives to level off, don't we? To make it nice and even. Good job, Cadence. Very good. Okay, and then you're going to take 1/4 of a teaspoon of the cinnamon and put it in your bowl. And then you can take your spoon and stir it up. And here's yours, Sebi. Take 1/4 a teaspoon. Find your 1/4 a teaspoon. Yep, that's good. 1/4 a teaspoon.
That much?
Oh,
Miss
we
Cinda?
probably have enough, okay, Miss Cadence? That's good. Okay, and then we'll get the cinnamon from Sebi, okay? Okay, now put 1/4 a teaspoon. Find your 1/4 a teaspoon. Good job. Boy, you're a good cook, Cadence. How old are you?
3.
You're 3? And you cook this good? Whoa! That's awesome! Do you like to cook? Yes? Yes? Oh. Okay, you mix it all up, and then we can set it aside. Okay?
That's short, Miss Cinda.
Yes, that's our topping. So we have that all ready, okay? Now set that aside, because that's what you're going to spoon on your apple sticks when we're finished frying them. Now I'm going to give you each an egg roll wrapper. Okay? And you're going to spoon your apple mixture into the center. Now you each have a bowl of water. Oh no, wait, there's a water for each of you. And what the water is for is I'll wrap one for you, and then that way you can see how it's done, okay? Let's just put all this here. Okay? So you can see me. Let me move this a little bit. Okay, I'm going to take, here's your apple mixture. Here's your apple mixture. Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to teach you too how to wrap it, okay? So, it would help if I got a wrapper, wouldn't it? There we go. And I'll move my plates and I'll move my recipe. I'll just put it right down there. Okay, so you're going to take a little bit, just a minute, Cadence. I want you to watch how Miss Cinda does it, okay? So I'm going to put some apple mixture right in here. And you'll probably want about 2 spoonfuls, okay? I'm going to put it in like that. Then you're going to go like this. Watch, you're going to go like this. Wait, do it like this. Go like this. So put it on a corner, okay? And then put your sides in like that. Can you see? And then you're going to roll it. Now, before we finish rolling it, take your finger, dip it into water, and wet the edge, okay? See how I'm doing this? See how I'm wetting the edge?
Uh-huh.
And you'll want to get it nice and wet because that's what makes it stick. See? Just like that. You see that? And now I have a right there, and it's ready for frying. I'm going to turn our skillet on. So
Miss Cinda, what do you do with the edges?
Oh, let me help you. Let me put just a little bit of oil in here so that it can get hot so we can fry these, okay? Put a little bit in the bottom. Put that right over here. Yes?
Can you help me?
I would be happy to help you. In fact, Ben, let me help her and you can watch me do this, okay?
Okay.
So here, we're going to do the corner. So you want a couple spoonfuls of the apple filling. And Cadence, I'll come and help you too, okay? Can you see this, Sebi? You want to put you can put a little bit more. This is a nice big wrapper. You can put more. You don't want to get too much, but you want to have enough because you want to have this good, tasty filling. Okay, so put it towards you like this. So we're going to put it like this. Then you're going to bring the sides in like that. See, I folded it down, and I bring the sides in. Now wet your finger and go along, wet the edges. You want to get it real wet. Even more. Can you get yours? Oh, I'll help you, Ben. Just a minute. Even more. Now we roll it like this. And see how it sticks nice? See that? And you press it down, and then it'll stick. Okay, we'll put that right here too, and you can start another one, okay? So let me start right there on a point like that, okay? Let's move this towards you, Ben. Let's go like this, and you can take some more filling, okay? How are you doing? Oh, Sebi, that's awesome. You want to come over here and get another wrap, Sebi, and do another one? Or, Sebi, maybe you could help Cadence do hers. That was awesome. Okay, look here, Ben. So you're going to move. I just tuck this in. I fold this over. Tuck that in. Fold it over. Just like that. Boys and girls, can you see what we're doing? And now wet this really good. Mm-hmm. You did already. Now what you're going to do is you're going to roll. See? You're going to fold it and just keep rolling. And because you wet it, see how it sticks down nice? Mm-hmm. Okay, let me give you another one and you can do one.
Here, Miss Cinda.
Thank you. Oh, we're going to have lots to fry up. Okay, here's another one. Isn't this fun?
Uh-huh.
And you're going to get to eat them. Here, let me help you so you have one to fry, okay? Let's put all your filling. Ooh, you must like apples. Do you like apples? Yes.
Miss Cinda.
What?
Don't we need to fry them?
Yes, we do. I'm heating up our oil. Okay. Okay, Cadence, wet. Good job. Wet your finger. Wet all along. Go all along the edge. Do it a little more. Good job. Make sure you get the edges nice and wet, boys and girls. Can you wet right over here? Get some water right over there. Good job. You know what, Sebi, you could put more filling in that, okay? I think you should still put some more filling because you want to, when you're biting it, okay, let's roll it.
Miss Cinda, can you please help me?
I will. There you go. Would you like to do another one? Okay. There you go. There, you can do another one.
Like that, Miss Cinda?
That's perfect. You learn so fast. That's perfect, Ben. Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, good. There you go. And, okay, so here's what you do. You can take some more filling, too, because you want enough to eat. Let's see if this is getting hot yet. Oh, you know what? This isn't even getting hot yet. What is the deal here? Ah, our switch got turned off. Ow! And now it's not hot. But you know what? Good thing Miss Cinda made some ahead of time so that they can taste them, huh? Boys and girls, you're going to want to taste these. They taste so good. Who likes apple pie?
Me.
Do you know these taste like apple pie? That's better. Oh, that's our kitchen timer. We're almost out of time. Here, let me help you. So spread this down like this. See? Let's move this so we can see. Spread this down like this. And then fold in the side. Fold in this side. Now let's roll it. Okay? Can you help me roll it? Good job.
Here, Miss
Now,
Cinda.
did you wet the ends right here? Good job. Oh. You don't want it to be open, boys and girls, because then all your filling will fall out when you're trying to cook it.
Oops. Here, Miss Cinda. Cinda, can I have help?
Yes. Here, Sebi. Here, what you do? Push it all the way down like this.
It got broke right here, just a little bit.
Oh, that's okay, because when you roll it over, because you wet it, it will stick. Okay, Ben, that's good. Ben, I would put more filling in yours. See how much filling we have in this one? This is good. You want more filling. So, boys and girls, you want more filling. That's good. Who wants to taste one before our timer goes off again?
Me.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Who wants to taste one?
Me.
Go ahead. Here, Sebi. We got to at least taste them. Here you go. You want to taste one? You want this one? Oh, you sure you want to taste one? Okay, what do you guys think? Take a big bite. Let's see if you like it. Oh, are they good?
I haven't tried them yet.
Oh, let's see if we can fry these now. Oh, it's almost hot. That's our kitchen timer. That means we're all out of time for today. Boys and girls, remember, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.